I have not been able to lay flat on my back for 13 years. Oh.
Yeah. Woo! You needed that. How we doing?
Mm-hmm. Good, good.
With your neck x-ray too, we got a couple pinched discs. You can actually feel it right there.
Yes.
Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna go right on that spot here for you. Just gonna shake your brain. You okay with this?
Yes.
Good. Both shoulders, really let them fall flat, okay? Let it go. Nice and easy. Yep. Wow.
Wow.
Got him. Got him, coach. Whew.
Ooh,
Man.
it's so good.
Yeah,
But wow,
Those are.
Ooh.
Yeah, well, it's interesting with Joyce here. How long did you resist coming in? Because you were all scared and your surgeons told you that you needed a full fusion in your neck and everything else?
I have not been able to lay flat on my back for 13 years.
Yeah, you couldn't do this before.
I could not. And for the past 5 years, my neurologist, spinal surgeon, everyone told me I needed to have fusion, and I refused to do it.
Imagine if you couldn't lay just like this. You're like, oh yeah, she can't lay on her back, but just think about it.
I couldn't do anything. It was very debilitating. Going to the dentist, I'd have to sit up. I can't lay down going to the dentist.
I didn't think about that.
Yeah, even getting my hair cut, I would have to go, I'd have to wash my hair before I go.
Yeah, you couldn't do that.
Because I couldn't lay in the bowl when they wash your hair.
That's right.
I couldn't do it.
You couldn't do that, no. So just remember, you first want to do no harm. So part of doing no harm is going very conservative care before you do more invasive treatments.
Yes.
You always want to do that that order. You never want to go to the most invasive treatment and go right into surgery. It's not saying surgery is never going to be warranted, but there is a lot of unnecessary surgeries going on, and unfortunately with those, they're irreversible.